Oh, hey guys, how we doing today? The rowdy dog. Boy, it's raining cats and dogs here. I just thought I'd relax with a little pastime here that I like to do on occasion and have me a cigar. But anyway, I got a product in here that was just sent to me to do my evaluation on and review on. And here it is right here. I want to show you. I just got this in. I put my cigars in it. This is the company right here, and it's a new humidor. It's lined in Spanish cedar, it's actually made out of Spanish cedar. Let me show this to you. I've got my cigars in it already, and I've filled up the humidor. There it is right there. Very nice. See my cigars in it. Has this cool brass latch on the front. Let me set my cigar down here. Hold on. Getting in the way. And there you go. Really nice. It's got the Spanish. And here's your little humidor or your little hydrometer over here, and you've got a little dropper that comes with it to put water in your I don't know what you call it, your water pack or whatever that keeps your humidity, your hydrometer or whatever it is. But the hydrometer, this is the hydrometer. But anyway, there's the cigars, and it's got this little divider in it, and it's adjustable. See, there it is. They move now because that divider's adjustable. I just keep my water pack over here on this side and my dropper over there. And really well made. Let me close it up. You can see the cigars through the front of it there. Isn't that nice? There's the hydrometer right there. I just put water in it, so it's not up near where it needs to be. Your perfect level is up around here. Let's see what that says. Ideal is up here around 70 right there. So it's got a ways to go, but I just put water in it, just put it in there, got my cigars in it. But is that not nice? It's got also has a velvet lined bottom, so it's not going to scratch anything. That's cool. Nice hinges. See the hinges there? Nice, good looking hinges. Really looks good. The latch works good. Just a nice piece. I'm gonna love this sitting on my desk. But it opens easily. It seals really good. And yeah, it has a good airtight seal. I like it. Neat product, guys. Again, here's the company right here. And y'all check them out. I think it's a neat product. It's very attractive. Gonna look good on any desk. Be great for your cigar smokers as a gift, for sure. But anyway, that's what I know, guys. I'm gonna sit here and light up and relax. Y'all take care. There, let me get off here first. Bye.